Hi, in this video we are going to learn about index match formula. It's a kind of VLOOKUP formula, but it's much better than index match formula. Here we are going to show you an example where we can get a complete row or a complete column as a result of index match formula. So let's start with finding the employee. This is the data sets over here. It's a company data set which includes the base salary, benefit, and bonus of the clients. So let's suppose we want to search the whole list by the employee number and want to get the result of a complete row of that client. So we would write formula in the first cell is equal to index. Index basically we would write we would add the complete table for we would add all the columns which we want to include in our array, in our result. So if we want the result from column A to C, we would select only this cell, and if we want the result of up to column G, we would select up to this cell. We need to add formula up to G21. Okay, so we want the columns from column A to G. Next we need to add the row number. For row we are going to match, we will match the value of the employee number in the employee number column for 101 to 120 or 21. So and for the third value we would select exact match because we want exactly match the 114 to the 114 value in this data set. And in the last entry where we would add the column number, we would place 0. So we got this whole row out of this. Let me change this value 103 and the whole row change to that cell. That we can match any value. Uh, in VLOOKUP we need to match only the first value, but in index match we can match any column like for last name, first name. Now it's another form of the I'm just getting this formula from here and changing it according to our condition. Now the case is changed here. We need to match the last name from a range of the last names B2 to B21. Okay, so if we just change it to something else, Davis, change to Davis row with the last name Davis. We can also use the index match for multiple criterias. Let's suppose we have an employee name. I'm going to use another form of the index match formula. Here the error remains the same, but in the match condition we would find the value 1 because we are using a condition here. A21, we need to select B2 to B21 must be equal to, it's a last name range, B2 to B21 must be equal to this plus C2 to C21 must be equal to must be equal to this this cell. And now this whole this if this is true and this is true, it would sum up to value 2. We need to add it to 2. Okay, and Press enter. So it would match the Thompson in the first last name column and Lisa in the first name column and find the value. Let's change it to value something else. Taylor, Linda. Yes. Now we need to search a whole column. If we want the employee number, we would search the. We want to get the whole column. If we want to search the sex, we want the whole column as a result. For this, we need to use another form. For we used to modify this index match formula for the column. Okay, the range would remain same because we need to search in these values, and we need to output these range match. We would clear this out. For row, we need to search. We don't need a specific row, we need a whole column. We would set 0 over here, and the for column we need to match our specified value with the range column A to G. We would better write it A1 to G1, and we need to select 0 for the exact match. Close parenthesis. Yes, we got the whole range. Let's suppose we want the last name range. We got the whole last name range. So this formula search the got the results of all the column, the whole column. If you want to search the bonuses, you can also have a drop down here to select. That would be better for that would be better so that we don't do any error from a list. Okay, so we got employee numbers. We could get the employee number, last name, first name. That's it. If you need to know anything else, just let me know. The link is in the description. You can contact me.